welcome to today's free analytic daily share. We're going to continue going into searching the analyst actions, and so we call those the audit logs or the internal. In this case, we're going to actually use the underscore internal logs. As a reminder, if you are not an admin, you won't be able to, usually you should not be able to see the underscore logs. Today's focus will be on seeing what analysts what dashboards are being viewed. You can have an awesome app with lots and lots of dashboards, but if your analysts, your users aren't using them, you might want to evaluate the way you're marketing them, sharing them, etc. And so this video will be showing how to see what dashboards are being viewed by your analysts. So let's jump right into that. This is definitely the most complicated of all the queries. I will post the query down in the chat, but the principle here is down in the comments below. But the concept is you're going to go index equals underscore internal. That's where the data exists. Your source type is Splunk Web Access. I did put in here source star access log, just makes it a little better. You don't have to do this one, but it just is. Now I'm defining a source type and a source. And this URI path, in this log, there are lots of URI paths, but the key is you want to make sure it's originating from an app. And so this is just basically saying, hey, there should be a star slash app, and then there should be a slash and a bunch of more slashes. It's just kind of a real simple way of, instead of writing a regex statement that we're just going to be looking for, make sure there's an app in here. So it's got to have some stuff before, and it's gonna be like if you look at the way these things are written, it's gonna tell you your URI path, and it's gonna have NUS, that's what you're looking for, it's gonna catch that, then you got the app, and then there'll be UI and views, and then your little, your dashboard. And so that's just making sure that otherwise you're gonna get back a lot of stuff. And then even when you do that, you still get back some crazies like, I don't understand exactly what the file thing is here, but you'll get a file as a star.star, you'll get files as search, files as reports, dashboards, datasets, edit, and those won't actually be the dashboards people visited. So I just put this in there as well to exclude out the non-dashboard logs. And I can't go through every one of them, just remove them and you'll start to see, oh, yeah, I'm getting more garbage than I wanted. Otherwise, you'll see a lot of stuff and you don't want that. So let's make sure I actually have a dashboard that I've gone and visited. So we're just going to go straight out here to Splunk Enterprise. And the dashboard I just viewed is ingesting new logs on a remote system. And while we're at it, let's go to the main landing page. Let's go here and let's add another dashboard. So I should have the log analysis made easy SOC. So this admin has now visited 2 different dashboards. So if I run this and I look in the last 24 hours, go ahead and run that query. I should be getting back. There's my log analysis made easy SOC, and there's my ingesting new logs. So anyway, there they are. And even then I seem to have and then I've got some other dashboards that they visit in other pages. But the point is, there's my 2 dashboards. I can definitely clean them up by doing a table, user, get the dashboard out. So if we look, there's my app, and if I look at file, there's my dashboard name. And so I could just do an app and file. And now probably would want a timestamp on there as well. But anyway, we can see exactly what pages were visited by each of the analysts and when they did it. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If it is, subscribe to the channel, keep coming back, watch the different videos. I appreciate it. And if you have anything that you'd like me to do a video on, please comment down below or join my Discord channel and send me a message there. I try to focus on the stuff you guys ask for me to present on. Anyway, I hope this was helpful and hope you keep coming back.